before starters, subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications so won't miss my videos. So now, let's start. Today, I'm gonna review the Anti-Glue Suzy. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. So now let's deploy into the game. Ooh. I forgot to tell you something. This gun, I think you pretty... Okay, this gun is pretty good in... What is it called? Short range, but not that good. It's also good in long range, so yeah. Don't trust me, yeah. But short range is better. Oh my god, Gucci ball. At using it. I got Kennedy Buddha. What is it called? Whatever, I don't care about the name. I know. It's not okay, it's Gucci boy. Just have to I think the Gucci boy first. Yeah, Gucci boy. Is this Gucci boy? Okay, I got Joshua. Oh, here, guys, just tag. Okay, hi. I tag Phantom now. I don't know who that, but the name is pretty OP. No, the name is pretty good. Not OP, something's wrong with me. If you think something's wrong with me, hit that like button. Let's subscribe to give me some good luck so I can win this game and launch a nuke. I never launched a nuke before, as you guys know. I never launched a nuke before. My brother, yeah, I never launched a nuke. Oh my god. Anybody else? Anybody? Oh my gosh. So laggy. The range is not that great though. Maybe it's not that good in short range. I mean long range, yeah, I'm gonna test it out up there, but I don't know what's up there though. If that, oh my god, Jerome tapped me. I just need to find a nearest tower and I can do that. Oh my god, he has the free guy. I also have a free something, but I'm gonna review this Abukusu thingy, thingamajig. I don't know what. Also, don't complain, please. Yeah, I know you use this gun a lot because I have much better guns than this. But when I was newbie when I started playing this game, I do have this, and I keep playing with it. But that was long time ago. And yeah. I grind a lot. Oh my god! Did you see that? That's a freaking chicken! Oh, I love chicken. What? I want to tag you, chicken. Chicken tag. Phantom. I can. Oh, next round, I guess. Next round, I hope it's bridge. Ooh, not so bad. 12 tags. Yeah. Warehouse classic. I want the Nuketown. I think it's not for long range. I want to test the long range classic. I think it's like the bridge, but the only thing is bad about this is bigger, and that's a freaking wall blocking there. Okay, I can deploy. Okay, well, some pretty strong players. Oh, it's TDM. I forgot. I thought it's like solo. Can we just like hack this game? Oh my god, he no scope. Everybody, Phantom guy, me just no scope. At least I'm on the leaderboards. Oh my god, Sniper Boy. I just tried to get a kill at Sniper Boy. Just come in. I need to at least get one kill. Wait, no. Okay. So far I have no kills, no nothing. I think he's using a laptop to play on a PC. Because, oh, don't tell me did I hear the dual ray gun? Yeah, I hope it's in our team. If it's not, we are screwed. Anybody? Okay. I'm gonna stand here just to get some kills. Oh my god. The design was not even that good. I forgot how much it costs. Don't complete, please. Wait, I have an idea. What? Why am I an idiot? Why am I a freaking idiot? Hashtag I'm an idiot. Why can I just do this? That is so much better. Come on. Can I just stand here? Oh my god. Okay, I can't stand there. I need to like stand farther away so they won't tag me. Whoa, chicken boys in our team. Yay, chicken. Okay, I think I see somebody. Oh, anybody else? So far I can't find anybody. Anybody here? I wanna kill. I wanna tag you. That one. Let's try. Oh my god. Oh my god. Later they walk through. They will be sniped for good. So yeah, let's see, does it work? Okay, it works. Okay, they attacked me. Oh, that you see took down my sentry. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I can't kill Fortune, but that's the guy who took down my sentry. Okay, let's have another round. Please, this round be good. I want to have some kills, baby. Okay. So far it's good at short range, but I think it's about long range though. Long range, this map is not for long range. I first have to stand back very far. Don't go close. See? Okay, if you have a long range if you have a scar, you just sit here, you can get it up too. You see, they don't have range. Okay, they have range. Okay, so far this gun has performed as a little bit good in long range, but not that good it's a little bit good in long range, but very good in short range. So yeah, design wise, I really don't like it, the design. And what do you think is the boo? That's weird. You know I hate different names. That's one of them. What is my sentry doing? Don't get me to be on fire. If you walk here, the same thing happens. I'm also gonna. I don't think this video is gonna be boring if I just stand here. Do nothing. So yeah. Oh my god. Mommy, just tap. Monday guy, just tap. Okay, one sentry got. Oh my god, Lock had just tapped me. Okay, no. Oh, how many sentries do we have in their base? I think we just cornered them. Yeah, we just cornered them. 3 sentries on top. Oh my god, low pet tapped me. I put one radar. Yes. One sentry down. Okay, low pet tagged me again. Okay. I got Monday tagged on my sentry. Hope this game will be nice to me. I hope. Yes, sentry good. Okay. We have a lot of sentries on their base. No! Sentry! Okay, I'm gonna get the 2. Okay, go back. Sentry, just cover me, okay? What am I doing from here? You're a dude. Can I just Oh my god. Did you see how much people are spawning there? We are just killing the game. We are just cornering them like crazy. How many sentries do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. I don't math. I go to school and learn math. Wait, what? What did I just see? Oh, they are new. They put sentries in that barrier for no reason. You know we can shoot through your barriers and you can shoot through our barrier. That's the lesson. Oh my god. Did you see how much people are in there? That's crazy. How many sentries do we have? Excuse me? I think we just broke the game. They won't even come. Oh, I was right. I was wrong. I don't know. Don't put my sentry here so they can come. Yeah, you see? That's great. Great game. One hand. What's great? Great game. This game is very fun. I like it. That's why mine is not getting any kill. He's camping. They're just camping in the barrier, doing nothing. Oh, Monday has a minigun, but I have the P90, but I can't use it. Well, yeah. Okay. Let's see on you attack you. Maybe they will just very mean, I think. Yeah, we're meaners. Yeah, we are mean guys, I guess. Oh, look who wants to on the head. Sorry. Sentry guy in my head. No! He took out my sentry. We have to beat this game. My sentry might not do nothing because they are just too scared. Oh my god. Did you see how much people? Wait, let me count how many sentries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 sentries on the map. I just need one more kill and I can get a sentry. Oh, that was easy. I get another sentry. This one I have to put it as good. Very, very good. I think I have an idea. Maybe I can put it on top of their like barrier. But I scared they would just sit there doing nothing. Yeah, that's a good idea. For them, it's a bad idea. For us, it's a good idea. Put up, go up. Go in here, put one sentry. Uh-oh. That's because we can't put this here so far because in GD, yeah, everybody knows. How much people are there? My sentry's so far doing nothing because there's a freaking people over there just, you know, that's how things work. I hate it. Okay. Okay, I have an idea. If I have the P90 right now, I can just scoop them up. Oh, my sentry, yay. iPad low pad again. Why there's no people coming out? Yeah, who cares? There anybody? Oh my god, so many here. Oh my god, did you see that? Okay, oh kill, I need a kill. Please just give me a kill. How many people are there? Thanks for the extra kill. Run out of your barriers. Okay, but now, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share on notifications for me and another video. Bye bye. And this Recam Uzi is good in short range, a little bit good in like 6 or 70% good in long range. So yeah, bye bye.